Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get brushes from Gumroad to Procreate. First, after purchasing your fantastic new brushes on Gumroad, you'll receive a download link. Simply tap this link on your iPad to begin the download process. Most brush files are relatively small, often just a few megabytes, but always ensure you have enough storage. Once downloaded, these files usually land in your iPad's Downloads folder within the Files app, ready for the next step. One straightforward method involves using your iPad's native Files app. Open the Files app and browse to the location where your brush file, ending in brush or brush set, was saved. A single tap on this file will magically open Procreate. The application will then automatically import the brushes, usually creating a new brush set at the very top of your brush library for easy access. This process typically takes only a few seconds. Another convenient way to import brushes is directly from your web browser, like Safari. After the download completes, you might see an Open in or Share option appear. Tap this, and then select Procreate from the list of applications. This action bypasses the Files app entirely, sending the brush data straight into Procreate. It's a quick and efficient method, especially if you're downloading just one or two brush sets at a time. Once your brushes are successfully imported, you'll find them in your Procreate brush library, often highlighted at the top. To keep your workspace tidy, consider creating new brush sets by tapping the plus icon in the brush library. You can then easily drag and drop individual brushes or entire sets into these custom folders. This organization helps you quickly locate your favorite tools, enhancing your creative flow and saving you valuable time during your art projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.